Hi there, students. Straight up. Straight up. This is used in various different ways. To me, as a Brit, straight up is used informally to say honestly, truthfully. The dog ate my homework, straight up. That's exactly what I mean. It's exactly what I had to say. Straight up, he paid me back the money. So straight up, I'm not joking, I'm not pulling your leg. This is really what happened. Come on, tell me straight up what happened. Tell me honestly and truthfully. Yeah? Don't joke about it, tell me straight up. And this is British slang. Notice this usage of straight up is British slang, but there are other meanings. Well, firstly, the obvious meaning, straight up. He pointed straight up, yeah? He looked straight up, directly above you, yeah? Then you can use this straight up for a cocktail. Yeah, let's see. I would like a martini straight up. Okay, so this actually means, so you make the martini, you put ice in the martini, you shake it, you mix it, and then you strain out the ice. So straight up is without the ice. You strain out the ice. Yeah. So yeah, I'll have a gin and tonic straight up. So cool it down with the ice, but take the ice out before you serve it. And that's the idea. That's the opposite of on the rocks. Yeah, give me a whiskey straight up, not on the rocks, no ice in it. Yeah, maybe you could cool it down with ice, but serve it to me straight up. Yeah, give me a whiskey straight up. Okay, then you can also use this, and this American and British English. If you describe somebody as straight up, you mean they're decent, they're honest, they're a good person. So he's a very straight up chap, yeah? He's always very decent and honest. He treats you very well. Yeah, he's such a straight up guy that I really like him. Yeah, so this is somebody who is honest. Yeah, who it behaves in a moral way. Yeah, it's not somebody who tries to trick you or deceive you. Yeah, so if somebody says you're straight up, that's very good. It's very positive. Yeah, and I think those are probably the main meanings of it. But to me, the first one, straight up, it's God's truth. I tell you this is right. Yeah, straight up. I think that's a really good idea. Yeah, come on, tell me straight up. Yeah, are you really going to get married to her? Yeah, tell me straight up, exact truth, the legitimate truth. Then you can have your cocktail straight up, have the ice strained out, no ice in it, the opposite on the rocks. And yeah, he's a very straight up teacher. Yeah, he doesn't beat around the bush. He just teaches you straight up English. Yeah, decent, honest, and upright. You can trust him because he's a very straight up person. He comes from a very straight up family, honest, trustworthy. Yeah, a straight up person. Okay, so yeah, he's a very straight up guy. Truly the genuine article. This is a straight up Louis Vuitton suitcase. It's not a knockoff. Okay, so straight up. And woof, formality. So straight up, it's the honest truth. 3 informality. This sounds like some cockney in London trying to sell you something. I would like my martini straight up. 5 informality, use anywhere. He's a very straight up person. for informality. Use informally, use in a semi-formal conversation, a semi-formal writing, but I don't think I would use it in something very formal. So I'm wondering about the origin of the meaning. Well, maybe if something's straight up, it's 90 degrees and it's on the square, and that is Masonic imagery for something that is honest. Yeah. So straight. It's not curved or crooked. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, straight up, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. So it was a great video, straight up. You know I'm a really straight up guy.